Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Philips OneBlade Replacements is probably one of the most essential aspects of maintaining a smooth and comfortable shave. Over time, the blades on your hybrid shaving tool can dull, leading to irritation and a less than ideal grooming experience. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Philips OneBlade replacement blades, exploring the different options available, and helping you choose the perfect blade for your needs. Number 5. Philips Norelco OneBlade Anti-Friction Blade. Introducing the authentic Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade. This blade is designed to provide a smooth and comfortable shave. It ensures a close shave without the need for foam or water. This blade is compatible with various OneBlade models, including QP14XX, QP25XX, QP26XX, QP27XX, QP28XX, and OneBlade Pro QP65XX, QP66XX. It's easy to install and ready to use with your existing shaver. Experience the smoothness of the anti-friction blade. A layer of microglass beads reduces friction, minimizing razor burn. This allows for a comfortable shave, even without using shaving cream. The blade is made of durable stainless steel, designed for long-lasting use. It can last up to 4 months, ensuring you get the most out of each blade. The blade features a replacement indicator. When the eject icon appears, it's time to replace the blade for optimal performance. This ensures you always get the best shaving experience. Each pack includes 2 anti-friction blades, providing up to an 8-month supply. This ensures you have a fresh blade ready whenever you need it. What we like. This blade features an anti-friction design, ensuring a smooth and comfortable shave. It reduces razor burn, allowing for a shave without foam or water. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a comfortable shave, you should consider this. What people say. It gives a smooth shave with no pull. The razor cuts short, smooth, fast, and a clean shave lasts days. I've been using the Philips Norelco OneBlade for years, and I have to say that the new anti-friction blade has taken my shaving experience to a whole new level. The coating on the blade is amazing, it glides across your skin with ease, making shaving a breeze. The shave itself was incredibly close, and I didn't experience any of the usual irritation or ingrown hairs that I'm prone to getting. Number 4. Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade QP2 2050. Introducing the Philips OneBlade Replacement Blade. This pack includes 2 replacement blades to keep your grooming routine on point. It's designed to deliver a consistently smooth shave. Each blade lasts up to 8 months, based on 2 shaves per week. This ensures you get the most out of your one blade. Actual results may vary depending on usage. The blade features a usage indicator. This handy feature reminds you when it's time to swap out the blade. This helps maintain optimal performance. These replacement blades fit all OneBlade handles. Whether you have the QP2520, QP2530, QP6510, or QP6520, it's compatible. It's designed for your convenience. The OneBlade can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. This versatile tool offers a complete grooming solution. Experience the difference with the Philips OneBlade. What we like. This blade offers a long-lasting solution, providing up to 8 months of use. It fits all OneBlade handles, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a convenient and long-term solution, you should consider this. What people say. With my order, I also received a newly designed razor guide which also works great. I love the fact that I can use it in the water. Gives you a super close shave dry too, no cuts or snagging. Number 3. Philips OneBlade QP2 3050 Replacement Blades. Introducing the Philips OneBlade Replacement Blades. This is a set of 3 blades designed to keep your OneBlade performing at its best. They are easy to install and ready to use. With this pack, you can enjoy up to 12 months of use. This is based on 2 full shaves per week, but actual results may vary depending on your usage. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. The blades feature a usage indicator. This will help remind you when it's time to change the blade. This ensures you always get the best shave possible. These replacement blades are designed to fit all OneBlade handles. This makes it easy to keep your shaver working perfectly. It's a versatile and user-friendly design. Remember, the OneBlade can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. These replacement blades maintain that capability. It's everything you need for your grooming routine. What we like. This pack includes 3 replaceable blades, offering up to 12 months of use. It's designed to fit all OneBlade handles, ensuring compatibility. If you are looking for a cost-effective and long-term solution, you should consider this. What people say. With my order, I also received a newly designed razor guide which also works great. I love the fact that I can use it in the water. Gives you a super close shave dry too, no cuts or snagging. Number 2. Philips OneBlade Replacement Blades, 3-pack. Tired of dull blades? These replacement blades are designed for the Philips OneBlade. They ensure a consistently smooth shave, whether you're grooming your face or body. With this 3-pack, you're set for a long time. Each blade can last up to 4 months, providing you with a great shaving experience. That's based on 2 full shaves per week. These blades are versatile. You can use them on your face and body. They are designed to trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. For the best results, replace the blades regularly. This ensures optimal performance and a comfortable shave every time. It's a simple way to maintain your grooming routine. Replacing the blades is quick and easy. Simply snap the old blade out and the new one in. It's a hassle-free way to keep your OneBlade performing at its best. What we like. This blade offers up to 8 months of use. It is designed for both face and body. If you like a versatile blade for all your needs, you should consider this. What people say. These are great replacement blades. It has cut my shaving time down tremendously. They last a long time too. The blades work perfectly as intended. The OneBlade works very efficiently with no nicks or irritation. If the blade pulls, it's likely time to replace it, and there is a wear indicator to watch. Number 1. Philips Norelco OneBlade Body Kit. This kit includes everything you need for a smooth trim. It comes with a replacement blade and a body comb, making it perfect for all your grooming needs. The click-on skin guard provides extra protection, especially in sensitive areas. This ensures a comfortable and safe trimming experience. The attachable body comb, 3 mm, is designed for quick trimming on larger areas. It allows you to easily manage body hair with precision and speed. Each blade lasts up to 4 months, saving you time and money. The wear indicator will remind you when it's time to change it. This blade is compatible with all OneBlade handles. It's a versatile and convenient solution for your grooming routine. What we like. This blade comes with a click-on skin guard for extra protection on sensitive areas. It also includes an attachable body comb for trimming larger areas. If you are looking for a blade that offers extra protection and trimming options, you should consider this. What people say. This is the exact same shaver head that I broke from the previous one. Works great. I have the regular OneBlade and attachment, but it didn't come with these 2 blade pieces, so I needed a replacement blade anyway, and these 2 blade additions are great. Blade works well as expected. And especially appreciate the guard for use below the belt. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.